Okay, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar. So here's the home page here. And if I click on here, I've got the icons here. And I can actually move these around. So I just click on one, which is my Google Calendar. So this is a day view. Let's go to the year to view. So if I press Y on the keyboard, it takes me to a year view. If I press M on the keyboard, that's a month view. If I press W on the keyboard, here's my week to view. And if I want to have a day view, I press D for day view. So let's add in something. So let's go create. So create event, task, or appointment schedule. Let's create an event. So for example, if I'm teaching, I can do a quick lesson plan here. So if I'm teaching level 3, group 3, I know it says Saturday, but let's just go with it. I don't teach on Saturdays. You can add guests if you want. You can add the timings here. Add Google Meet video conferencing. You can add a location or your room number that you're teaching in. And you can also add a description. So you can have starter activity, for example, discuss last session, and then task 1, what they're supposed to do. So for example, students are to edit their VoxPop videos on Premiere Pro. Yeah. And you can even add attachments here. So if you have any resources, you can add it here. And when you go into the classroom, you simply open this up and then click here and your resources will be there. And you can also color code your event here. So let's go for a nice green here. Busy, default visibility, 30 minutes before, add notification. Let's go to more options. So more options will give you these. It just opens it up. Once you're happy with all the options here, you simply click on save, and that's it. And you've got your event here. We've added it here. Let's just add it. Click and drag it here. Yeah. And the other way to add events and tasks is simply click here, one click, and it'll just open up event, task, reminder, appointment schedule. Yeah. Hope that's been helpful. You can use this for your lesson planning, or you can use it for any other day-to-day activities for yourself. That's it for now, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.